Hello students, it's Pooja Pathak and today we are going to discuss questions related to the biology which are definitely helpful in NEET examinations and KVS and NVS and all educational examinations, okay, which are related to biology. So let's start with the questions. So students, we have already discussed near about 40 questions. So today we are going to discuss the questions from 41. So let's start. The plants which have anti-diabetic property, so the answer will be here. The answer is Gymnema sylvestre. Now coming to the next question. Deforestation means. Deforestation means it is very easy. You all know the removal of plants. Okay. The removal of plants. So let's start. Now coming to the next question. See, lysosomes are produced by, you all know. Answer is the Golgi complex. Now coming to the next question. Kokkari bird sanctuary is noticed in. So it is in Mandya. Okay, it is this Mandya is in between the Mysore and the Bangalore. So the answer will be here Mandya, not the Mysore. Okay. Now coming to the next question. One of the following is also called civil right effect. The answer will be here. The answer is genetic drift. Okay, see, genetic drift means here what is there. Actually, civil right effect means civil right is the means scientist who has gave the principle of gene frequency fluctuation in small population, okay, in his essay. So here the effect of population size is being explained, like in a small population, non-randomly mating population, gene frequencies are found to fluctuate purely by chance. So the answer is here genetic drift. Now coming to the next question. Oran is a sacred group. Okay, sacred group. Now coming to the answer here, sacred group, this one. Actually, what is sacred group? You know, the sacred groups are the ideal centers for biodiversity conservation of for various plants and animals. Okay, here what happens means their plants and animals are well preserved. Okay, so the sacred groups. Okay, Oran is a sacred group which is seen in Rajasthan also. Okay, now coming to the next question. Put the following part of reflex arc in correct order, beginning with the sensory receptor. So hopefully you can see the question completely. Now coming to the answer, here answer will be C. Here answer is, first of all, first will come sensory receptor, then sensory neurons, then interneurons, then motor neurons, then effector. So the here answer will be the first, means EDBANC. Understood? Now coming to the next question. The trachea terminates into. So very easy question. The trachea terminates, after trachea what comes? It comes bronchi. Okay. Now coming to the next question. See, match the entries in column 1 and the column 2. So here answer will be, see, it is see, FSH is going with what? It is going with the ovulation, growth hormone going with the normal growth, prolactin with the milk secretion, and oxytocin with the parturition. So here answer will be the first one. Now coming to the next question. Formation of activation calyx in the egg takes place. So formation of activation calyx means, see, when the activation of an egg, here we are talking about by the sperm. Okay, the activation of an egg by the sperm is mainly carried by the interaction of sperm proteins with the protein on the egg. Okay, when the protein of the egg and protein of the sperm, they interact. Okay, so the activation of the formation of the activation calyx occur. So what happened, immediately after the egg is activated by the sperm, the primary envelope becomes detached from the oolemma and forms the activation calyx. So the correct answer is before fertilization. Understood? Answer is before fertilization. Now coming to the next question. Which of the following part, let me clear the question. See, which one of the following part of cockroach leg is attached to the thorax ventrally? So here the answer will be coxa. Okay, so the answer is coxa. Now we're coming to the next question. See, match the column here. Hopefully you can see the question completely. Now the answer here will be, see, cytokinin is related to the Rickmond lag effect. What is this Rickmond lag effect? Actually it is the retardation of aging, okay, due to the application of plant regulator, which is cytokinin. Okay, so it is a plant regulator. So retardation of aging due to the application of plant regulator cytokinin. So it is the Rickman lag effect which is related to the cytokinin. So the answer here will be first. If you interlink it with, see, this one is the correct answer. Here B will go with the apical dominance, auxin A, apical dominance here A. Okay, now coming to this one, C, abscisic acid, definitely it's a stress hormone. Ethylene is related to the ripening of fruits. So the answer will be the first one. Now coming to the next question, left auricle receives pure blood from the, you all know, we have already studied doctor. D means deoxygenated blood, which is impure blood, coming to the R, right auricle. So the left auricle is receiving what type of blood? Oxygenated blood, which is also known as pure blood. So the answer here will be pulmonary vein, which is coming from where? It's coming from the lungs. So lungs are because oxygenation occurring from in the lungs, so oxygenated blood is coming to the left auricle from the pulmonary vein. Now coming to the next question, the semi-digested food that moves down the esophagus is known as, very easy, the bolus. Okay, now coming to the next question, the transportation gases to maintain the ionic balance, chloride ion shift from, actually it shifts from plasma to RBC. Okay, so from plasma to RBC. Now coming to the next question. See, here, read the statement, choose the right one. See, atherosclerosis is a disease characterized by the thickening of arterial wall. Okay, shall I repeat the question? Atherosclerosis is a disease characterized by the thickening of arterial walls. And the here statement B is deposition of cholesterol and triglycerides in the arterial wall causes atherosclerosis. So here the answer will be here third one, that is the both the statements are correct. Okay, and B is the correct reason for the A. Okay, so deposition of cholesterol and triglyceride, what it cause? It caused the atherosclerosis because arterial walls are like closed or they thicken. Now coming to the next question, juxtaglomerular cells secrete, if you have studied the renin angiotensinogen system, so you all can do the question very easily. Juxtaglomerular cells secrete what? It secretes the renin, and there is a fall in what? Sodium ion concentration. Okay, so the next question is, ileocecal valve is present in between. See, the ileocecal wall is present in between. See, where the small intestine connects to the large intestine. The small intestine connects to the large intestine. There only this sphincter is present. So it is located above the appendix in the lower right side of the abdomen. Understood? So lower right side of the abdomen. So the answer here will be the colon and the small intestine. Okay, so the colon and in the small intestine. Now coming to the next question, the diagram. See here the diagram, very easy. What is the labeling? See, just answer the question here. Here the answer will be, see, just see, sepal. A is sepal, you all can see this is sepal. Okay, and D is petal here, so this is D petal, and B is actually here pistil, and C is stamen. So here the answer will be third one. Now coming to the next question. See, read the statement A and B and identify the correct choice from the those given below. The egg of frog is moderately telolacethal. Okay, and the sooner or later the cleavage pattern becomes irregular. So here the answer, the B, actually the statement A is the correct reason for statement B. Understood? So because it is moderated telolacethal, so here cleavage pattern also becomes irregular. So the statement A is the reason for statement B. Understood? So thank you students. Thank you for following my channel, and please do subscribe and don't forget to view all the videos on my channel. Thank you students. Thank you so much.